Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, I am fit as a fiddle. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Everything is good at the normal. So,
Okay.
as we are first time
Right
meeting.
now, right
So,
now you are at home or you are in the office?
no, I am in office.
Okay, but you all whenever I send message, you always in the office. That's why I thought today you are in the office.
Today I took leave. That's why I am in office.
Okay, that's why you are at home.
Yes. My
You
office time is 9 to 5 p.m.
Okay, great. Because I tried, we can say I have been trying for the long time. Sometime you were busy, sometime I was busy somewhere, so I could. Okay, no issue. But today we are here. Okay, so we are meeting very first time, so I would love to know about you.
Yes, why not? Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If talk about my education, I have done CME from Chinnamasta Institute of Technology, Rajviraj, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirvan University, KTM, Nepal. If talk about my working, I am working in health first. I am a health person. I have a government job. And if about my hobby, searching new things, make any friends, and I have YouTube channel. YouTube channel name is English with Mukesh, where I uploaded conversation videos, solo video, and my strength is communication skill. So that's all about me. May I know? Introduce yourself.
Yes. First of all, thank you so much for joining me. And as you already know, my name is Pooja Verma. I am from UP. I live in Kanpur. I have completed my postgraduate in education. Along with that, I have a small YouTube channel where I upload conversation video, short video, and just I am learning and growing. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Okay, that's great to introduce from your side.
How is the weather in Nepal?
Weather is today is windy little bit and sunny also,
Okay.
and feeling hot also. Everything is.
There is no sunshine, there is no raining.
No rainy. 2 days ago it was raining, but 2 days here not raining. Just sunny and windy.
And
It's
how is your
sorry.
YouTube channel is going on?
Can you repeat again? What did you say?
How is your YouTube channel is going on?
Okay, my YouTube channel is going on good. It
Okay.
is normal going on.
Do you upload video every day or alternative?
I would like to upload every day, but which day I have no video, so that time day I upload I left. Even then, I try to upload every day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, WhatsApp and sometimes we send messages or we don't get partners, so at that time we have to make their own video, right? Sometimes it's
Yes,
also own video, so up to you, right?
yes,
It's very difficult to find partner.
yes. It is difficult to find partner and talk to. Audio call is very easy.
Yeah.
They talk, but video call is not easily getting.
Actually, WhatsApp and some people think it is very difficult. How can I face people, right? So
Yes,
comfortable in audio call. They don't feel comfortable in the video call.
yes. Many person would like to do audio call only. They feel easy to audio call. They sleeping, stay. There is no matter. They talked. But when would you like to video call? So you have to stay constant. You have to sit down one place. Every active position. That's why don't would like to video call many people.
Okay. Okay, I have some question. Why it's hard to change our self?
Sorry.
Why it is so hard to change ourself?
So hard. change ourselves.
Yeah, why it is so hard to change ourselves?
Which topic means hard?
Ourselves. It means ourselves.
Ourself, are you saying?
Yeah, you can't listen my voice proper.
Sometimes sound is less.
Okay, maybe that's why. Some noise is coming from your side, maybe.
No, my side is not coming. It's now your side less. Your sound is coming less my side.
Okay, it means you can't hear me proper.
Yes, now normal.
It is okay.
Yes,
Okay, now I can repeat the question again.
yes,
Why it is so hard to change ourselves?
yes. There are many kinds of things which is hard. I have to feel, so I have to take note hard. Just I have to take any kinds of problem, any things we have take too easily, and that kinds of work do easily with energetic. Yes, and it is to be normal, no any obstruction, no botherness, just like as normal. I have to take easy anything and too easy to do. Yes,
Right. Actually, your voice is. I don't know why.
this is the network issue. Maybe it is normal, no problem. Continue.
Okay, okay. So when it's come to me, so I think people are habitual living in comfort zone. They don't want to change ourselves because sometimes maybe they think if I will change myself, so it is not good for us. But when we learn any new skills or anything, when we
Yes,
do any new kind of work their life, we have to change ourselves. We have to come out our comfort zone, then we can do something new their life. So it is very we can say important for everyone. We can change ourselves, so do something new. If you uh, go any interview or any job, we have to
yes,
maintain ourselves, we have to maintain our personality also. But if
yes,
you
yes,
live in comfort zone, so if you live in comfort zone, we can't do anything because we are habitual, I
yes,
think.
yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely, you said right. Comfort zone means which things would you like to do? So everything you get easily.
Yes.
Suppose you stay in market, so you get easily vegetable, many kinds of which things you have to need. Suppose you would like to go hospital, you would like to do any kinds of work, you would like to buy things, so easily you get in market. But when you are stay in village, so you are not getting easily. That means not comfort zone. Comfort zone means which things do you want, that things do you take easily, do you receive easily. That means I have to understand comfort zone.
Yes, right, right. Okay, so my next question is, can you hear me proper?
Yes, 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 I am listening.
Okay, do you think speaking English can change our personality or person's personality? Okay, I can repeat again. Do you think speaking English can change a person's personality or does it only improve their communication skills?
Both it sense develop personality also. And communication skill means you have added things. You talked many countries people easily, and you can open your any kinds of work. You can do any kinds of work easily. And suppose you would like to open uh, institute and any kinds of which is the content related to other countries business, so you can do easily, which you have English communication, so you can do easily. If you have no knowledge, so you can't do. So it means it is two purpose. One, your earning purpose, and other one thing is personal development. And everybody respect. If you have no any, if you speak, so it is other person praise you. He have a knowledge, he can speak, he communicate to any country's people. So that's why it means personal development also added things. So it is too needed to communication skill.
Yes. Yeah, actually, I think it is very important to do something in their life, and when we practice each other, yes, if speaking can change your life if you do practice every day, and both are very necessary, speaking part or communication skills, because nowadays we are learning this language because we want to grow their life, we want to enhance our communication skills, because nowadays communication skills is very important. If you know how to communicate with people, you can do so many things. You can crack the interview, you can get job, you can talk with people, you can talk in front of public without getting agitation. So public communication skills very important these days. Along with it, speaking is also important, because this type of thing can change your life totally if you do every day without procrastinating yourself. Yeah. So nowadays we are here because
Yes.
we are practicing to each other. We are enhancing our communication skills day by day.
Yes.
And suppose if you go anywhere, if you go any other country and you know how to communicate with people without getting agitation, you can talk with them very smoothly, and you can articulate your thought very well.
Yes.
So these days, I think both are very important. Communication skills or speaking part is also, because if you know how to speak with people, so definitely you will learn how to communicate with people, how to learn communication to each other.
Yes. Yes. I
We com-
resonate your point.
when we communicate to each other, we see so many things: eyes contact, body expression, how to sit front of people, how to manage the how to handle
Condition.
situation or condition, how to talk with people, others people. We learn so many things when we do communicate to each other every day.
Yes, absolutely. You said right. Suppose you have a knowledge of English, so you can connect any person, anytime, anywhere. No hesitation, no confusion, and you can share your idea, your thought. What do you want? What do you not want? So, in front of any person, they can understood easily. You can understood easily. So, it is the power of communication. Without communication, I could not to each other understand what to say, what I am saying, just like as once under it border. And if I communicate to each other, so I can understood easily what is the thought, what is the idea, what they want to say me. Everything I can understood easily and I can share. So it is the power of communication skill. and no any kinds of agitation, no any kinds of problem. We can connect easily many countries, people, many there are no what kinds of they have native language. I don't care, but English is one I connected easily. Yes, suppose you are from India, so your native language is Hindi, your native language is Marathi, and others. My native language is Nepali, so it is the power of English. I can connect easily. That is the one language. It is international language, we can connect easily. But if I talked with Nepali, so you don't understand, so how do we connect? That is the power of English, and that is the knowledge of English, that is the communicate to each other easily. So that's why English is international, and I have to need this knowledge. And if I have any kinds of thoughts, I can share with you. Yes, ma'am, I have this problem. If you would like to help me, so you can help me. If I have a Nepali language, so I said, yes, you help me, but you didn't understand my question. So how do you help? That is the difference between language. Yes, so it is the communication language. I can communicate any person, anywhere, any countries. No any agitation, no fairness, no obstruction. It is too easily. That is the power of communication skill, and it's to be normal for every person, everywhere.
Whatever you spoke, it's I totally understand because like uh, everyone's native language is different. Your native language is different. My native language is different. But if you know about this language, you can communicate so many people, different countries, people, and you can communicate. You can articulate your thought and what are you
Yes.
telling them, how to express your thought. You can. But if I talk about our native language, your native language is maybe Nepali, but I don't know how to speak
Hmm.
Nepali. I don't.
Yes.
I know my native language, but we are here because of English.
Yes. Yes. My
Yeah.
native language is Maithili. Do you understood Maithili?
No. Could you say?
What's your native language? Your native language is Hindi.
Yeah, my native language is Hindi. You can say something about your native language. Let's see, I will understand or not.
Yes, if you are understood Hindi, then you can understood Hindi or Maithili is like as matchable.
Okay.
तोहर नाम की छो, तोहर नाम कथी हो, दिस इज द मैथिली.
Oh my
मीन्स
God, I don't
हिंदी,
understand
तुम्हारा
this.
नाम क्या है, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है,
Okay.
तोहर
Okay.
नाम कथी हो, मीन्स तुम्हारा नाम क्या है.
Okay.
मतलब तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है, तोहर घर कत हो, दिस इज द मैथिली. एंड इफ टॉक अबाउट नेपाली, सो तिम्रो घर कहाँ हो, तिम्रो नाम के हो, मैं दिस इज द नेपाली. यस.
Okay. Yeah, great, but I don't know. I know two language,
Yeah.
Hindi.
So you, it means you are understanding Hindi or English, no other language.
Yeah, I don't understand any other language.
Yes, I can understood Hindi, Maithili, English, Bhojpuri, Nepal.
Oh, great. You have so many knowledge about all language. You're great, great.
Yes,
Because
and
you,
Nepal is official language. Native is my Maithili language. English is international language. Bhojpuri is also your country, India, Nepal, speak. So I
learn
can
all
speak.
language. How did you learn all those languages? It is very difficult.
Yes, no, anything. It is normal. I talked Indian people also nearest, and I watched many Hindi videos. So that's why I'm learning. And Bhojpuri video also watched. Maithili is my native language, so I don't to learn anywhere. And English is also learning, so that's why every knowledge. And Nepali is official language, study language. So that's why I speak all languages.
Yeah, great, great. Actually, you have knowledge
Okay.
about.
My children has get up.
Okay, okay, okay. No issue. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, we can end up the session.
Okay, ma'am. Just I have to ask question only. Can you say about your journey and why would you like to learn this language? What is the cause?
Okay, so when it's coming to my journey, so it has been completed 8 months. Mine is running, and my journey has been going fantastic because I am very enthusiastic about this language. I don't skip a single day. And when I kicked off my journey, I was a very beginner. Even I couldn't have spoken a single word, but I faced so many problems, but I did never throw the towel because I know when we do any kind of work very first time we have to face so many struggle, we have to face so many problem, we can't
Yes, yes.
achieve anything very soon. We have to put heart and soul every day to do something new their life. So I have to do every day, and I am here, I am talking with you. You can see my improvement in 8 months.
Yes, absolutely. You speak good, and I watched your video also. You are uploading once day today. Maybe you are also continue to upload your channel. I watched.
Yes, yes, I am also consistent in my channel or in my speaking practice.
Yes, it is a good way. You are using your speaking practice, and if you continue, obviously, once a day you will become fluent. I am also will be become fluent. No, I am not at this time, but I am learning period. You are also learning period. It is too good for me, each other. It's okay. Thank you.
Okay, so from your eyes, from your lips to God's ear, and it is right. I hope it is right. Okay.
What did you say? Can you repeat again?
This is idiom. I think I mentioned in my previous video. I made one video when we say, you know Hindi,
Yes, yes, I know Hindi.
तुम्हारे मुंह में घी शक्कर.
Thank you, thank you.
So we
Yes,
can say in English, from your lips to God's ear. I hope
yes,
you are right.
yes. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, now I end up the session, and it was nice conversation with you, and thank you so much for your precious time, and have a nice
Thank
day.
you. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.